Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to show you how I store things. For the simple fact is I was going through some stuff and I noticed things were getting damaged, and so I'm redoing how I'm doing everything. Sorry if I sound out of breath, I've been moving stuff. So basically I'm just making this so that you guys don't do what I did, and hopefully it'll help somebody out. But here we go. Now I have very limited space, so I use these kind of tubs. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is all the stuff I've been working on that I did videos of. These are just like quick little cardboardy things that I made. Some of them I made videos on, some were just practice. And I got some Christmas ornaments and stuff in here. But anyways, this 99.9% of the stuff that's in here, I didn't seal. This was just a quick video to demonstrate something or just for practice and that. And so I really wasn't worried because I don't sell anything. I just tossed it in here and figured it's practice. The stuff, when I started doing more canvases and stuff like this, then I started sealing them. And they don't stick together. They stay very nice, even if you stack them like this. And that, what happens if you stack them and you don't seal them, here's a prime example, is, let me get it, which way do I gotta go? You see how the color is crappy? It's stuck to the one above it. So, and I've got many in here that are that way, because I just tossed them in here willy-nilly and I didn't seal them. Here's one that I really liked that I damaged. Let's see if I can even, like over here, you see the yellows and the, I don't even know if it's focusing, and the whites over here where they're damaged, because it's stuck to the one above it. So don't ever just throw your stuff in here like this. This is, you don't want to do it. But it's already done and it's in here, so that's the way that's staying for now. Now, better idea is, here's another tub. Now these I sealed and no damage. These are those bigger canvases that I showed you. I did in my videos. These stayed really, really nice. These are just canvas, sitting on canvas, and these are both sealed. All these are sealed. No damage. Everything's great in here. Now, the other thing is the rocks. Now, I thought, you know, I've seen like Elizabeth McLean's videos, and she's got all of hers in the drawer when she pulls it out, and I thought, well, I'll just get one of these tubs and throw them all in there. Now, these are wrapped because I've learned something. If you throw them all in here, and it was really kind of nice because you throw them all in here and you can see all the colors and they look so pretty and everything. But the problem is, like if you have them in a drawer and you're pulling them out, or you have them in one of these and you're shifting, these are going to slide around. And then this is going to happen. Let's see if you can see the little white nick there. And here. They bump up against each other. Let me see if I can get a good example. See that? And it takes the paint right off. And this was sealed like 3 or 4 times. So it's not a fact that the paint's not going to rub off or anything because it's sealed. But it'll actually chip the paint right off the sides when the rocks bump together. And these are those gypsum rocks that I made with a Happy Dotting Company mold, which I love. But don't, whatever you do, store them in something like this without wrapping them. Now these are just washcloths, and if you go to Walmart, they have these in a pack of 18 for like $3. And you could do like I plan to eventually do. I'm going to cut these apart because really, I mean, like this rock, I mean, I could just fold it in half and use half of it if I sew it, or even just cut it and just wrap it so that all the edges are closed, and if they bump into each other it's not going to do any damage to them. Or you could wrap some of them and Some of them you could set like this, but just make sure that if it slides, it's not going to bump into each other because it'll take the paint right off of it. But anyways, that's my quick little video. I hope that helps somebody out so that they don't have to repaint like I do. So I hope you're all having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.